In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove old email suggestions on Gmail. If you keep seeing outdated addresses pop up when you start typing in the to field, the fix is to clean them out of Google Contacts. We'll do this on a desktop browser, and it only takes a minute. First, go to gmail.com and sign in. Make sure you're in the right Google account, especially if you manage more than one. Once your inbox is open, look toward the top right corner for the Google Apps menu, also known as the waffle icon. It looks like a grid of 9 small dots. Click the waffle icon to open the panel of Google Apps, then click Contacts. This opens Google Contacts in a new tab. Here's the key idea. Gmail often autosaves people you email into a section called Other Contacts. Those entries are what power many of the autocomplete suggestions you see. Removing an entry from there prevents it from popping up again. In Google Contacts, find and click Other Contacts in the left sidebar. If you don't see it right away, scroll the sidebar. It's separate from the main contacts list where you've saved people deliberately. Other Contacts usually holds addresses you interacted with once or twice, or ones Gmail captured automatically. Now select a contact you no longer want suggested. Click the name to open their details so you can double-check it's the right address. This is a good moment to verify there isn't a newer, correct address you want to keep elsewhere. With the contact open, look for the 3-dot More Actions button, usually near the top right of the contact page. Click that menu to reveal additional options. Click Delete. You may be asked to confirm. Go ahead and confirm to remove the entry. This doesn't delete any past emails from your mailbox. It only removes the contact record. After deletion, the address should stop appearing in Gmail's suggestions. If you still see it in a compose window, refresh Gmail, or start a new message, and try again. Repeat these same steps for any other outdated suggestions you want to clear. You can also use the search bar in Google Contacts to quickly find specific names or addresses inside other contacts. Be careful not to remove people you still email regularly, and remember you can always add a correct address back later. That's it. Quick, clean, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.